Ever felt like everything is stopped just for you? The whole world keeps on moving, but you are stuck on the same place due to laziness. Let me break it to you. Laziness is not a weakness, it's a habit. And here's how to crush it. In 3 steps. Rule 3,
Move your body first. Motion creates emotion. A 5-minute walk can reset your mind.
Rule 2,
Break tasks into micro steps. Don't aim for the mountain, just take the next small step.
Rule 1.
Remember, time is a trust from God. Wasting it is wasting opportunities that may never return.
You're just 3 rules away from being unstoppable. Which rule will you apply today? Comment below and follow for more mind upgrades.